stop. You see what I mean? So you always want to, once you make a little turn, the first thing you want to do is bring it back and see if that works. So say I want to, see the pink building up there?
The what?
Say, the pink building up there?
Ah, the pink building.
There's a pink building by itself?
Yeah.
All right. Say I want to use that as my point of dead reckoning.